everybody. We are off on another van camp adventure. This weekend we're headed to Pymatuning to spend the weekend. Another park on the bucket list to check off. So stay with us and we'll have fun together. So this is our campsite for the next 3 nights. We're in lot 163. Not the most level spot, but we'll make it work. There's Mitch looking at his phone. And Mitchell built a nice new bike rack, so we were able to bring the bikes this weekend. He'll show that to you later. So this is Cooking with Mitch. That's Mitch.
Yep.
Cheeseburgers on the grill. We're camping this weekend with one of the crew members that we've met along the way, Debbie Kiefer. So she'll be back here in a little bit to have dinner with us.
So the feast is cooked. Grilled buns, cheeseburgers, onions, homemade barbecue sauce. Now we shall eat. She just took a big bite out of the burger with homemade barbecue sauce on it.
A1. It's awesome.
Pretty good. So we've got the van camp all set up. I went ahead and put the moon awning out, moon shade out, and yeah, it's been a nice weekend so far. So dinner's over with, everything is cleaned up, and we're just sitting around the old blue sky pellet fire pit watching it burn.
What up? That's
It is nighttime, and we have deployed the Harbor Freight bug zapper light inside the camper. Let's see in the morning if we have any bug carcasses around the light. So it is morning. Did the bug light work? Well, right there's a carcass. There's a carcass. There's a carcass. And if we look at the light itself, we have carcasses on the light itself inside. So yeah, this little bug zapper light worked pretty good. And it's also got this light on the end of it you can turn on. And it's got 3 different brightnesses to it. And then it's got the bug light you can turn on and off also. It's like 13, 14 bucks at Harbor Freight. I think it's worth it. After watching some of the local wildlife for a while, it is time to cook some brunch.
The master.
Their meats are enabling a lot of stuff, so I never got anything bad from them.
Where's that at?
In Canal Fulton, which is just down from, what, not even a 15-minute drive from Doylestown.
And this is a Mitch muffin and hash browns.
Now I'm going to be... Oh.
So we just got back from our bike ride, and it's gonna rain. We got back before it started to rain, so that's a good thing. So we're gonna get ready. They're saying tornado warnings in this area, so we'll see what happens.
Well, as you can see, it's getting very dark out, and it's finally started to rain. We've been under a tornado warning, we've been under a severe thunderstorm warning. We've had it all in the last hour.
So it's about 8 o'clock in the evening. The next round of rain is here, and yeah, it's not raining too bad. Now the moon awning makes it a little nicer to be outside when it's raining, but one thing about these things, for $400, the seams leak on them. So yeah, you probably want to go spend $4 or $5 on some seam sealer and seal the seams up before you use them, because they just drip water everywhere. So we survived a stormy night here at Pymatuning. It was a good weekend. Got to visit some friends and enjoy some good cooking and hang out. Well, it's Sunday. We're headed home after another weekend adventure at Pymatuning State Park. It's one of them we wanted to do for a while, and we finally got a chance to do it. So, as they say, we can mark that one off the list and see what the next adventure is. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next adventure.